CUNY School of Professional Studies is honored to be recognized by the UPCEA for its work on the Online Teaching Essentials Faculty Development Program. The OTE, as we call it, was born of necessity but grew into a unique opportunity for collaboration. In spring 2020, the university faced the challenge of preparing 20,000 faculty to teach online in the summer and fall. Drawing on our 15 years of experience offering online degrees and faculty workshops, the SPS Office of Faculty Development and Instructional Technology created a 3-week intensive program that the university sponsored for all its colleges. Faculty from 15 community colleges, 4-year colleges, and graduate schools participated, preparing to teach subjects from English Comp to engine repair to entomology. There were both tech novices and experts with a wide range of attitudes towards online learning. Here's what the workshop featured. Hundreds of faculty enrolled but worked in small sections grouped by discipline, led by facilitators with online teaching experience in that subject. Faculty engaged with the content in twice-weekly peer discussions and group activities, and applied pedagogical strategies in hands-on assignments in the LMS. Faculty were assigned work and graded as students, the most direct way for them to understand asynchronous learning, a new modality for most. The OTE has given over 2,000 faculty teaching tens of thousands of students the opportunity to learn new skills, transform their teaching, and build communities of practice. This massive consortial undertaking succeeded because it brought together online teaching experts, academic affairs and faculty development staff, and technology support teams from across the university's many colleges. We are proud that the Online Teaching Essentials program is an example of how a university can come together to build a more resilient institution for today and beyond.